I'm in full gear now. I will wear gloves later. What I'm going to do now is our window, we covered it with plyboard so that when my neighbors are playing basketball here, ball will not hit our jealousy. The jealousy of our neighbor right there, it was hit and the glasses of the jealousy were shattered. This is the first time that I will do this window grill, so stay tuned. I'm done cutting the square bar. Let's weld them all now. It's hard to make the corners 90 degree. Look, I put square bars to prevent it from moving. It will stabilize it until we're done welding all the square bars. We will remove it. Let's weld them all now. It's done. We're going to create bracket for it to hold it when we are going to install it in the window frame. Maybe 1 inches. Bracket is done. I'm going to weld it here so that we can screw the grills in the window frame. Let's put them now. I have built the brackets there. It's 8 pieces. My wife is painting it for now, and then we'll install it in the window frame. That's it for now. My hands are shaking. I'm so hungry. It's getting dark now. Hey! I'm done with the small grill. My wife is painting it now. The paint of the big one is already dry. We're going to install it there. And we have to remove the plyboard. Let's do it now. All the window grills are done. It's installed already outside. My wife is cleaning the window so that we can see the view outside. It's dark outside, so I can't take a shot of it, but I will take a shot tomorrow.